Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to use the catalog on Waybien Ads to find the right channels for your advertising campaign. So let's get started. Here we are on the home page. To access the catalog, click on the catalog section in the navigation bar. This is the main catalog interface where you can explore all the available channels. On this page, you will notice a clean layout of filters at the top, and a list of channels below. This is where you can search, filter, and compare different channels with each other. So let's take a closer look at the filters. You can filter channels based on community, minimum and maximum member count, platform, country, language, type of channel, and topic. These filters help you quickly narrow down your search. You can also use the search bar to find specific channels. For example, you can type in keywords related to your niche to find relevant communities. Below the filter, you will see a list of channels. Each row gives you information such as community, platform, topics, country, language, and members. This allows you to quickly compare different options with each other, that if you click on a channel, you can view it directly on Telegram. This helps you better understand the content, audience, and the overall quality of the channel before using it in your campaign. Choosing the right channel is very important. Even a good ad won't perform well if it's shown to the wrong audience. That's why using filters and reviewing channels carefully is key. Now you know how to navigate the Waybien Ads Catalog and find the right channels for your campaigns. Take your time to explore, filter, and select the best options for your target audience. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.